So today these are the ingredients I'm having. This is some bit of a quarter of an eggplant, and then I have here my 1 onion, a bit of ho-ho, my dhania. I'm not gonna use all of that. That's how I preserve it in my fridge. And then of course we have here my garam masala, a bit of paprika, and the ultimate creamy ingredient, which is let me just zoom in a bit, which is kara coconut. So let's start. And yeah, and the process of it has started. So let me add a little bit of oil. So I first of all deep fry it, and then so I've just added in my tomatoes, my pili hoho, and the eggplant as well. I love eggplant just chicken with few bits. So so let me just give it a bit of a turn, and then I get back. So nimechanganya kiasi. I've mixed all the ingredients and the chicken together just for it to cook a bit, and I'll just cover it for a few minutes. So guys, as you can see, there's a bit of the stew vapor. So I like helping mash a bit of the tomato. Sorry, I'm using one hand. No helpers here today. My toddler is asleep. So I just like helping. You can see how cutely brown it is. Let's move far from a bit of that. Yeah, you can see the color. It's coming very well. I've not added any paprika, just my tomatoes. Let me give it a bit of a turn. Just look at that color. So I'm gonna add a bit of the paprika to our chicken to give it a bit of a color, and then garam masala as well. Let me find the plastic spoon. So just that's enough, like half a spoon, and then you mix. Just have a look at how much half a spoon can turn your chicken into look so good. So let's add a bit of the garam masala just to have that kick, a bit of a kick in the chicken. I don't like it being too spicy, so I've just added a small bit. So let me add in my water. Just a little bit, like half of this, like this size. And let it cook for a bit, and then we'll add in our coconut cream and dhania. So the stew has reduced a bit. As you can see, it's very thick. It's very thick. Let's just look at that consistency. So in case maybe you don't like the coconut, you can just have it like this. See? Yeah, you can just have it like this. It's very, very sweet for those who don't like coconut. I already added the salt. I'm sorry I didn't show you, but you know. So here I am. I'm adding my coconut cream. I found half of it. So here's my coconut cream. Let me just mix it up a bit, and then you look at the thickness. Creamy. Woo! Look at how creamy it is. I've added a little bit, and then I've had to open another packet and add because it wasn't enough. So guys, just want to show you how. Just look at how creamy it is. Yeah, and that's how you do it. Our cookie is ready. So let me serve the. I wish I could make it. Okay guys, so there's a creamy That's a creamy chicken. Can you see? Look at that. So creamy, right? And there you have it, the sign that our ugali is ready. Whoa. So here is our chicken, creamy coconut chicken and ugali. I've added a bit of cucumbers. Yep. Look at this. My ugali is very hot, so it's time for us to eat, guys. So bye bye. Yep, I really like it. Let me just show you a bit of, wow.